Students, now we will continue finding out the relations of this unit. We have till now completed the relations of drift velocity and current and mobility. So overall there were 6 relations derived. Now because we have understood the resistance part, so we will be now deriving the relation of R in terms of the basic quantities. So relation 7 is relation between R and torque. R formula we know, V upon I, voltage upon current, and now we have to keep on replacing the denominator part. Let us start now. I formula we know, NAEVD. VD formula, small e capital E torque by M. And now you see voltage and electric field both are appearing, but they can be replaced in terms of single quantity. So voltage we will replace by electric field into length of conductor. So this way we can see that now this capital E is getting cancelled. So after cancelling capital E, we are left with ml upon ne square A torque. So this is our relation number 7. So you can repeat this, we can repeat this, these steps. R formula is V by I. Now our target is anyhow this current we get either in terms of electric field or in terms of voltage, so that from the numerator it is getting cancelled. So NAEVD, I formula, then VD means drift velocity, EE torque by M, and finally V voltage and E. We have to bring in the similar term. Voltage is EL, this way E is cancelled, and we are left with ml upon ne square A torque. Start learning this formula. Then because we got R relation with torque, means relaxation time, in the same manner we can get rho relation with torque also. In exam this can be also asked. So we will start with R relation which we have obtained just now, this one. So ml upon ne square A torque is the R formula. Now we have to replace this R now by its basic dependence formula, rho L by A. So ml upon ne square A torque we have to equate it. So similar terms means L and area will get cancelled on both the sides, only rho will be remaining. So rho formula is m upon ne square torque. These two formulas of R and torque are required mainly in the temperature dependence of resistance and resistivity. So you have to learn these formulas. So relation 8 is derived here. In relation 9, conductivity term we have to talk about. So very simple, conductivity is the reciprocal of resistivity. Conductivity we denote by sigma, and resistivity you know is rho. So 1 by rho is sigma. Okay. Now rho relation in the previous sheet we have already understood, m upon ne square torque. So we have just substituted rho relation. So sigma and rho are just reciprocal of each other. Relation number 9 is obtained. Now relation number 10 of this chapter is, one new term is introduced here, that is current density J. Its relation with electric field we have to obtain. Now I'll tell you about this J introduction. This J quantity is this J symbol is for current density. You can remember it that current density J is current per unit area, perpendicular area, or you can also remember it by cross multiplication. Then it converts to the vector form. You can write, you can see J into A is current. So J into A is current. This way also you can remember it. Now this formula gives you the information about scalar and vector quantities. We know that current is a scalar, okay, but this J is not a scalar quantity, it is vector quantity. So J vector dot area vector, that means the dot product, gives us a scalar quantity current. So you can remember it in both the manners, in any one manner. So easy term is that J is current per unit area. Now after getting the introduction of current density, we will proceed to the relation. So our target is that we have to get the J relation with E. So how we can get E? We already know that current, we can proceed to E relation. So how we can do? Current formula, first one is NEAVD. So this way A from the denominator will be cut. Now VD formula we can substitute here so that we get capital E. So VD formula is small e capital E torque by M. So this is the relation of J. Now we can continue it to get one idea that in terms of E we have already got the answer, but this NE squared capital this NE squared torque by M is also sigma. You can see from here, NE squared torque by M is sigma, that means conductivity. So if we separate NE square torque by M, then only E will be remaining extra. So this way sigma and E will be remaining in J relation. So this we can learn as relation number 10. So J and E relation is, you have to do till here sigma E, but from here we can get a modified Ohm's law relation also. How it is now? If sigma is again replaced by 1 by rho and this rho is cross multiplied here, then J rho is equal to E. Now this is easy to remember because Ohm's law says V equal to IR is the actual Ohm's law equation. If we replace voltage by field and current by current density J and resistance by resistivity rho, then we will be getting the relation E equal to J rho. This is called modified Ohm's law. This we can learn as relation number 11. So again I will tell you how you can replace the quantities. Replace voltage by electric field, current by current density and resistance by resistivity. So you will remember, you will obtain E equal to J rho relation. So with this sheet we are completing the relations part. So here we can list down some relations which we have obtained till now. We have the list of relations here. Very easily let us revise. VD equal to EE torque by M. Learn this first formula. Mu mobility is VD by E. Second. Third relation is I equal to NAE VD. Till here we have derived. After that replacements are there. So NAE VD. This VD formula put here, you will get this answer. Then electric field replaced by voltage by length of the conductor, you will get this formula. Mu formula basic was VD by E relation to, again put VD formula here. Capital E will get cancelled. Learn fourth formula actually, R equal to ML upon NE square torque A. For this we have a derivation steps. Then if L and A are removed, so remaining term is rho, so M upon NE square torque. Sigma conductivity is reciprocal of rho, so just opposite, NE square torque is in numerator and M is in denominator. And last relation is about J, current density. J equal to sigma E you can learn, or J rho equal to E you can learn. So this way we have the